properties, metal is hard. We show that their shape is their shape is fixed, their size is fixed, their density is fixed, right?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
like, it's like to put a to take a keel, nail, fixed shape, size, and all that, है ना? So that is the hardness, is the property. Then one property is we make metal into thin sheet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When you, हाँ, when we hammer metals, we make it thin sheet.
Yes.
मोस्ट ऑफ दी जो हम बोल सकते हैं इलास्टिसिटीज बोल सकते हैं या थीन सीट्स में जिसमें हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं हम द प्रॉपर्टी इन विच मेटल्स मेक थीन सीट्स दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉल्ड मेलेबिलिटी
Malleable.
यस द प्रॉपर्टी इन विच we make metals in thin sheets this property is called
Malleability.
malleability. Okay, the gold and silver have most malleable metals. We know that. So we make many jewelries with the help of gold, and silver have most important malleable properties. And gold have most important malleable properties. So we make beautiful designs in jewelries, right? We show that 1 gram gold and we make beautiful rings. 2 gram gold and we make earrings, right? Because it have malleable
Malleable.
properties, right? So metal which have metals the property in which make thin sheet, this property is called
Malleability.
okay. देखो one thing is if you take 1 gram gold malleable properties के examples if we take 1 gram of gold you make 2 kilometers wire with the gold मतलब this is the gold is make jewelry only 1 gram gold only 1 gram gold and you make 2 kilometers thin wire that is the big मतलब malleable properties ना we understood that thing right है ना if because of their malleability and ductility the metal can be given different shapes and according to our needs right can you name some metal are used in making cooking vessels
Steel, copper,
yes and
steel,
yes steel is a mixed metal but it's okay हाँ, steel copper iron है ना
iron.
iron so this is the malleable properties and ductility properties okay one thing is when you pass electricity metal you when you put a spoon or a any metals rod heat it heat it अगर तुम कोई भी एक वो लो metals का spoon लो या anything heat it what do you feel you heat this stone and you feel it right
Yes.
heat this is conductor of heat conductor of heat कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट हमने पढ़ा है कंडक्टर और नॉन कंडक्टर
Yes, ma'am.
मेटल है कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट एंड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दैट्स द रिजल्ट यू लर्न अबाउट ना कंडक्टर एंड नॉन कंडक्टर
Yes, ma'am.
प्रीवियस क्लासेस राइट कंडक्टर मीन्स what is the meaning of conductor when you flow the heat and when you flow the electricity
Electricity.
right that's the reasons that we use copper wire as a electricity and we use copper wire use of plastic upper sides of copper wire right
Yes, ma'am.
but because electricity is flow but human beings or animals any animals not direct contact with it so what can do plastic wrapper on any wire right
Yes, ma'am.
so yeah exactly beta है ना hope so you understood
Ma'am?
hope so you understood
Yes, ma'am.
if beta any query any questions any problem you ask it me be frank you stop me okay कि मैम प्लीज रिपीट प्लीज again है ना okay any problems Okay, I can understood very well. Next day, because I have today's not board. If I explain more, you understood very well. Okay. अच्छा. So we know that के electricity or heat. So what which metal is most important conductor of electricity?
Copper.
We use copper wire but not copper. This is silver. But silver is so expensive, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
है ना? So government cannot afford. So we used copper. If you think that silver wire is pressed all our cities, what to do?
Uh, we have to cover it with plastic.
Still, they're stolen by someone.
Mm,
Definitely, because this is so expensive. We know that.
yes, ma'am.
So use copper. Copper is a very good. Copper is a very good of electricity and good of heat, but most अगर पूछा जाता है if asked to most तो silver.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, तो silver is है ना. Silver and copper जो होते हैं best conductor of heat and electricity. Lead and mercury are comparatively poor conductor of heat. Lead and mercury.